Hi everyone at home. I want to share with you our library so that you can also take books and read them and take your AR quizzes at home. You will go to the Destiny Discover website given by your teacher or on the announcement from Ms. Robinson. When you arrive at Destiny Discover home, you will need to go to our login. When you click Login, you will enter your username and password. That is the same as your AR password. When you do, it will welcome you by name to Central Elementary School. You'll see our announcement. It tells us about logging in. It also tells how the virtual students can ask and request for 2 books a week. You want to make your request by Monday night. Ms. Robinson will prepare your book and it'll be ready for pickup on Wednesday or Thursday from 8 to 1 outside the front entrance of Central Elementary School. Now, to search for a book from our library, you can choose a topic that's already assigned down here. For example, animal stories. We can see several books about animals. Or we can come up to our search box and type in, I'm going to type in cats and click search. And notice we have over 200 books on cats. When we look through our books to make a choice, we would want to make a choice of what we see in green where it says the book is in. If it's in red and says out, that means someone has already checked that book out. You could still place a hold on it, but it would not be ready for you that week. Click hold, and it will send Ms. Robinson an email, and I will get your book ready for pickup. We're going to go back to Destiny Discover homepage and also go down to what we call ebooks and interactive ebooks. These are books you can actually use on the computer. You just click on the book you like and simply click open, and you can read the book on the computer. So you'll have a choice to get 2 books from the library and use our ebooks and interactive ebooks. Happy reading!